DJI's smallest flying camera is gearing up for a massive evolution. Leaks, prototype sightings, and insider reports point to a late 2026 launch for the brand new DJI Neo 3. If the rumors are true, DJI is about to solve the biggest pain points of palm launch drones, delivering better low-light video, longer flight times, and serious safety upgrades, all while keeping it pocket-sized and beginner-friendly. The most notable rumored upgrade sits right in the camera department. Industry speculation points to a larger camera sensor, replacing the smaller half-an-inch sensor from previous generations. What does that mean for you? Better low-light performance, cleaner shadows, and less grain when shooting during sunset or indoors. Enhanced dynamic range and 10-bit D-Log-M. Reports suggest support for 10-bit color profiles and advanced HDR recording, giving content creators the flexibility they need for professional color grading on social media and short-form platforms. Performance and safety are also getting a heavy tune-up. Extended flight time. Sources within the drone community indicate the Neo 3 could achieve up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery, thanks to improved motor efficiency and smarter power management. That's a noticeable leap for an ultra-compact aircraft. Tri-directional obstacle sensing. While earlier models relied mainly on basic forward and downward sensors, rumors point to a new tri-directional system. This makes autonomous tracking and indoor flight significantly safer for casual users and beginners. Connectivity is also taking a major step forward. Several reports suggest the Neo 3 will adopt DJI's O4+ video transmission technology, potentially unlocking a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments, bringing it remarkably close to DJI's high-end professional lineup. Facing rising competition from lightweight, creator-focused drones like the HoverAir X1 Pro series, DJI is leveraging its ecosystem and flight software. If the Neo 3 hits the market with these specs while keeping its trademark affordable price tag, it's positioned to be one of the best-selling entry-level tech products of 2026. While the DJI Neo 3 is still unofficial, the mounting leak suggests something exciting is heading our way. Between the upgraded sensor, longer battery life, and O4+ transmission, it's shaping up to be a compelling compact package. What feature would make you pull the trigger on an upgrade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.